Ever logged into WordPress and thought, why is this dashboard so cluttered? What if you could design your own dashboard, clean, branded, and tailored to your needs? Well, today I'll show you exactly how to create a dashboard in WordPress. The WordPress dashboard is your control center, but for clients or contributors, it can feel overwhelming. A custom dashboard simplifies the experience and put the most important tools front and center. So this is how the WordPress dashboard usually look like as an admin. So you can go ahead and drag the tools to the left or to the right depending on how you want your dashboard to look like. You also have the screen options at the right side to be able to set the screen elements that you can find into your dashboard. As an admin, you can actually create different dashboard interface depending on the visitor who's gonna use your WordPress account. So you can use plugins such as Ultimate Dashboard to be able to create different dashboard look depending on the user that will access your WordPress website. If you want your users to manage content without accessing the back end, you can use plugin like Front End Admin to build a dashboard right on your site's front end. And that's it. That's just how you can simply customize your WordPress dashboard that's clean, branded, and user friendly. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.